Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this country glam fit in dress to impress. So here we are surfing the country glam with a royal twist, sparkles, boots, big hair, and bigger attitude. So if you want to know how to create this look, let me show you the steps. First, let's start with the outfits. With the hair. So for the hair, I'm going to just use this curly hair, this one in here, and change the color into brown. Okay, once you're done with the hair, let's start creating the outfits. So first, I'm going to put on this top in here, this dress, and toggle it into top and change the color using this patterns. So this one, so it will go like this, and combine it with this top in here. Use the same patterns, and the second preview I'm going to make it black. So for the bottom, I'm going to just wear this mini skirt and use this blue patterns in here. Let's grab some accessory. I'm going to grab these earrings and change the color into blue, and this necklace also to blue color. And now let's grab this hat, this cowboy hat, and I'm going to toggle it into number 2 and use the patterns for the hair. And here I'm going to also grab this one as the accessory, change the color into the patterns. Except for the last one, you are going to use this dark blue color. Okay. For the top, I'm going to also put on this puff on the arms, this one in here, and use the same color. Use the same pattern like this, and also I'm going to grab this sleeves to go it into short sleeve and use the patterns. And as for the shoe, I'm going to grab one from the code items. So let's go to the fitting room. First, I'm going to put on this shoe, change the color into white, and also I'm going to combine it with this shoe in here. Toggle it into classic socks. And I'm going to also grab the leg warmer, change the color into black, and this dress, but I'm going to toggle it into skirt. First preview the blue pattern, second one black, and the last one go back to the patterns. So this is the final look for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.